Chocolates are romantic. Heck, some of you think that eating chocolates can make you, well, you guessed it, horny. Remember, in the younger days, when you buy chocolates, usually it's for someone that you're attracted to, romantically or physically, right? Well, during Christmas, it's the perfect item to buy for a gift exchange because everyone loves chocolate, unless it's cheap chocolate. And f***ing hell, I hope I don't get any cheap chocolate this year. So here are some ways you can cook with chocolates to charm the pants off that special someone, and trust me, it works, if you do it right. Now, there are three main categories of chocolate, which I'm sure you already know: white, milk, and dark. I'll usually reach out for a dark chocolate of at least 64% because it's nice and bittersweet, just like relationships, right? Too bad they don't do 69% chocolate. Now, the easiest way to enjoy chocolates is to buy a bar that has good origins. But if you want to get a little bit risky and dangerous, then try this. Just a warning, this is for adults only. I'm making a tobacco-infused dark chocolate ganache in a homemade tart shell. So what we're going to do, first thing, we're going to cream some butter and icing sugar in a stand mixer. Then we're going to add our eggs, then our flour, and make sure it's nicely incorporated. Then we're going to wrap it up, put it in the fridge for 20 minutes before we roll it out. After that, we're going to roll it out, mold it in our tart shell, and bake it till it's golden brown. Careful with this when extracting with tobacco leaves. Do not go beyond 80 degrees and don't steep it beyond 5 minutes. Be very, very careful. After 5 minutes, strain the cream without pressing. The cream will hold the tobacco flavor beautifully without extracting too much of the bad stuff. Be careful, do not over-extract. Then pour over the hot cream on the chocolate and stir till it's well mixed. Then pour the ganache into the tart shell and let it set for at least 4 hours. I usually serve this with flakes of black sea salt and a scoop of ice cream. With adults-only ingredients, this will surely set the mood for the night to be something more adult-themed. Well, what if that special someone doesn't have a sweet tooth? Well, here I've prepared a festive main course which sets the tone for the night. Now the highlight here is the sauce. I've already prepared a duck sauce which on its own is already very good, but I'm going to make it better with chicken livers and dark bitter chocolate. On the plate, I serve a thick, juicy piece of duck breast, seared to perfection. On the side, I have plump cherries poached in orange zest and cocoa butter. For the accent, I lay down streaks of velvety pumpkin puree. And now the chocolate sauce. I sauté chicken livers and shallots, then deglaze them with cognac. Then with some duck sauce, I blend it till it's smooth. After straining, I snap pieces of 100% dark chocolate and some cocoa butter. Then I swirl my pot to emulsify and thicken the sauce, just as I would using butter. This sauce coats your tongue each time you take a bite of that juicy duck meat. The chocolate intensifies and prolongs the already deep flavors of the duck sauce. Meaty, juicy, sweet, yet savory. This is a luxurious main course set up for desserts on the table or in bed. Some say chocolate is better than sex. I say, why not have both? Try making some of my recipes. If not, book a table with me, I'll do the cooking, and you take care of the rest. I hope you guys have been enjoying our videos so far. It will really help if you could give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to Forecast TV. See you on our next food therapy session.